Hey guys, Portia here, and today I will be working with INNOSUB's tempered glass inserts. So INNOSUB has a wide variety of cell phone cases to choose from, whether you're an Android user or an iPhone user. But this particular set, as I mentioned, the insert is made of glass. So let me show you guys exactly what that looks like. So this is glass here. So we got the front, we have the back, and we are going to go ahead and use Canva to create a really simple design. I want to allow the glass to breathe. I like to see the white come through and then the color kind of move around. So we'll pick something a little bit more abstract for the design, and then from there we'll press the image onto the glass, and then we'll check out the finished results together. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a design, and I'm gonna do custom size. Let's change this to inches first, and I am doing the iPhone 13. So I always like to make it as slightly bigger than the phone itself. Gives me room to mess up or either just make sure the whole image is where I want it to be on the actual phone itself. So we're going to say that is 5.8, and I've already changed that to inches. We're going to say create a design. So we have a nice rectangle here, and like I mentioned, I want to keep this one simple. I think oftentimes I like to go and pack it full of color and all that other stuff, but I want the image to breathe this go round. So what I want to do is go over to, I believe, elements. And what I am going to search watercolor pattern. Now this is going to give us a lot of different, watercolor designs to choose from. So I wasn't looking for anything like too complicated or anything that was just going to completely take over our space, because once again, it's a cell phone space. We're working with limited space, but I also want it to be visually interesting. So once you pull in an image, whatever you like, so if we take a look, ooh, y'all, okay, I should not have seen all of these. Wait a second. Now I'm gonna have a hard time. So once you actually select the image that you like, you can adjust it. So if you double click into the space, you move the image to where you'd like it to be. Now, remember, up here is going to be the space, the cutout for our camera. So I wouldn't even bother messing with this upper left-hand corner. But it is so many designs to choose from. Not sure which one I want to do, and I might come back through and change it, but let's add the rest of our elements and then we'll come back and play with the actual background. Now the next thing I want to do is go to uploads. I have this little lady here, and this is just a Google search that I did, and it was just for pretty much lady silhouettes, lady in dress silhouettes. So if you search like that, and I've already removed the background and all that good stuff, so I'm going to place her like somewhere around here for now. Well, let's just get our elements on, and then let's go to text. And I've already written down a little quote that I want to use. Have it in my sticky notes here. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that right there. And we can't just leave this font plain like this. We got to do something cute. And the name of the script that I want to use, I do believe it's this one, Chopin. I think that's what it says. Okay. So the other thing I want to do is go ahead and move the text a little bit, the lines a little bit closer, so it's almost, a little bit more cohesive. I don't like the line spacing to be so big. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. I'm gonna move this over, and I want the words just to kind of nestle in right by her hand. And of course, I don't want it too close to the edge because I don't want any of our words to be cut off. So I'm gonna size that back down one more time. Now, honestly, I think this looks pretty good, but because my name is Portia and I can't leave well enough alone, let's go back over to Elements and play with some backgrounds. Oh goodness, y'all, I don't know why. I should have picked the background before I started talking, but guess what? I didn't. Okay guys, so I think I am done messing with stuff and we're gonna settle on this abstract here. And again, you can pick whatever you want. I did go ahead and make our elegant lady a little bit bigger, and I don't want her hanging off the bottom. I just realized she was hanging off the bottom, so let me fix that and nestle that back. Now what I wanted to make sure of is that our words are legible through the movement. I wanted to make sure that the color was not so solidly packed in and that there was breathing room in the background. So everything is visible. We know exactly what's going on. And the design is really simple, but I believe that it's going to make a big impact, especially since we are working with glass. So guys, here's what I am going to do. I'm going to go ahead and download my image. I like to download my images as PDFs because for me, it seems to work. In the beginning, when I did pings, the size was just all jacked up and wrong for me, but it probably was user error. But since it ain't broke, I'm not trying to fix it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and download it as a PDF. And then from there, we will prepare to go ahead and sublimate on the actual glass itself. So here is the printed out image. You do not have to mirror this. Here's our tempered glass, and what's going to happen is we're just going to tape this down. So this is the shiny side of the tempered glass, and this is the matte side. So we're going to sublimate on the matte side, which is why we do not have to mirror. So let me go ahead and get this taped down. All right, we are all taped. I didn't need much on this. I just need enough to hold it in place. So I did cut off her little elbow there, but I believe it's going to be all right because I wanted more of the words to fit in the picture than the, you know, the elbow. You get the whole picture. So let's go ahead and press. I am going to place the substrate actually face up. I got some blowout paper here. We are going to press at 360 degrees for 60 seconds. And we want to do medium pressure. Let me put that in there. Place that here. All right. Alright y'all, let's see what we got. I love the magic that happens in sublimation. I can already see the brightness coming through. Look y'all. Okay, let's look at it for real. Oh God, oh God. Check it out y'all. I ain't even took the tape off. Oh my God, I am loving it. Okay, so what we are going to do is go ahead and remove our tape, and we are going to check out what this actually looks like on our iPhone. So let me go ahead and get this off. Oh, okay, I'll be right back. So let's just get our little sticky backing ready. Alright, I'm going to press that in there. But yeah, let's see how it looks on the cell phone. And we are all done. What do you guys think? Elegance is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside. And guys, the outside of this case is gorgeous. I think the glass just adds a little bit, some extra to it. And I can't even say it's bling. Bling is one of my favorite words, but I think with the particular design that we did select, I think the word truly is elegance. It just really takes this case, this design to the next level. Yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you all the tempered glass inserts from INNOSUB. They have them for both Android as well as iPhone. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But as always, until next time, peace.